Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and look what just came in the mail. My Illustrated Faith Goals Bible Journaling Kit. I'm excited to open it with you, and let's do the review together. Let's go ahead and open the kit. Okay. Da-da-da-da. The kit. Okay. Comes with the envelope like it always comes in. This is really nice for storage. I do like that. It does have the stamps that say hashtag faith goals or faith goals, hopes, and dreams, and diamonds. These are really cute. I'm not sure that I don't know if I would have chose hope here, but I'm sure it has to do with this kit. So it just seems like hope and hopes, having two of those is awkward, but you know what? That's still awesome. I'm excited to use them, and I'm sure that it's hope and hopes because it has to do with what's in the kit. We have a note from Shanna. It says, Happy New Year, friends. I've never been much of a resolution girl, but I love that we get to start over with God each and every day. Amen, girl. We worked on that in our Renew study this month about how, every day is His mercies are new every morning. This is really awesome. She says, He's always giving us fresh mercy and hope. And the beginning of a new year feels like the perfect time to evaluate our priorities and the important things in life. This month, let's celebrate the good and ask Him to transform the rest. Here's to a new year of fresh beginnings and new hashtag goals. So if you're using the kit, go ahead and use hashtag goals on any social media so that they can see your work. And sometimes they run promotions where if you go to the Illustrated Faith community and you post your work there, sometimes you have the opportunity to win prizes. So look for hashtag goals and participate where you can if you have the kit. Looks like we have some tip-ins. Ooh, these are diamond shaped tip-ins. That's fun. This one says He makes my path straight. This one says every morning mercies new. Awesome. God is doing a new thing. It's a journey of faith. He's a generous God. Amen, He is. Oh, the power of prayer. That is beautiful. Oh, and I just love the little graphing paper color, like beautiful backgrounds too. That's really fun. This is really great because if you use these as a tip-in and you write lettering on the back, you can keep your lines straight. That's awesome. Then we have the stickers, and they're the same stickers as they always are. They come off really easy, and they are clear, transparent, somewhat, they're clear, but they're a little bit opaque, just like normal, and they're super cute. So you have faith, hope, wisdom. You have some hearts, as well as some banners and flags. Then you have kindness, peace, health, home, faith, wisdom, hope, prayer, and hashtag goals for stickers here too. Also very cute. A lot of words going on this month, so that's really nice. You're going to be able to use those in your Bible journaling. Pretty awesome. The next thing is we have these cards, and it says hashtag wisdom goals on this one. And then we have session 1. The verse there is James 1, 5 through 6. Then we have hashtag hopes goals. And that's session 2. It's the God of Hope, Romans 15:13. Then we have hashtag faith goals, Matthew 17:20. Then we have hashtag prayer goals, James 5:16. Hashtag kindness goals. That's session 5. 2 Thessalonians 2:16. Hashtag peace goals. That's session 6, 1 Timothy 2, 1 through 4. Hashtag home goals. Philippians 4:13. And then we have hashtag health goals. And that is Luke 6:19. I love these because you have really 8 sessions of wonderful devotional material, and you are going to be able to consider your goals of the year using each of these. So you're going to have, maybe some learning goals this year. You're going to have some things that you might be hoping for, some things in your faith that you want to be working towards, maybe some prayer resolutions, maybe some goals for kindness and peace, some goals for your household and for your health. That is fantastic. Those are awesome. The next thing that is in the kit is going to be the washi tape, and this is one of my favorite parts of the kit. Loving the kit so far. So we have here the tape, the washi tape, and it's just as sticky as it normally is. And it says hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams. So there you go. That is why this says hopes and dreams, because it matches the washi tape. And then you get the other hope because it matches the sticker. See, I knew there was a reason. It's just, you know, first impressions. That's what you get whenever you join me for unboxing. And that's what you get. You get my first impressions, and sometimes my first impressions go, huh? What? All right, let's go ahead and do one together. I think I'm going to choose health goals. I don't know if you know much about me this year. I am working so hard on losing a few pounds. I started watching what I ate more in my diet in December. So far I've lost about 10 pounds, not starving myself, but really following a certain plan that has points. So it's been a very wonderful, wonderful plan so far. So go ahead and visit my blog if you're interested in learning. Search for weight loss goals. You'll be able to, or Bible journaling weight loss, you'll be able to see some of my Bible journaling entries related to my weight loss journey this year. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and do this Bible journaling and fast forward through this part and give you a summary at the end. Alright, I didn't know if you wanted me to actually tell you what I'm doing as I'm doing it, so I'm going to go ahead and actually do that. Stop the video instead of just fast forwarding through the whole thing, and just tell you what I'm doing, that way you see. I went ahead and grabbed some of my acrylic paints. I'm just using here, I wanted to use colors that were close to the items that I'm using. So, you know, these colors in the kit are like a peach and almost like a darker green teal kind of thing. So I'm using green, blue deep from Blick, and then orange light as well in the matte acrylic colors. And I'm going to come in here and just do some paint scraping real quickly. So to do that, I just grab a little bit of the paint that's on my palette here and just quickly scrape it on my Bible. You don't have to do a lot of it. You can just do a little bit of it here and there. It's not like you have to cover the whole thing. You don't even have to cover any of it if you don't want to. I just like a little bit of color here and there. Kind of hit it with a little bit of heat. And it says that everyone tried to touch him because healing power went out of him, and he healed everyone. So that's the verse for today, verse 6:19. And we are going through a little bit of some prayer here in the Rollins household today for some healing in our family. And yeah, so this is a very relevant verse for us right now. I'm going to go ahead and add some washi tape here at the bottom of the page. It's really easy to add washi tape. You just roll it. Washi tape, if you're not aware, is just like a paper tape. It's made, well, it primarily comes from Japan. It's paper tape that they use there. And that's where it came from. Or that's at least where it originated from. And I just usually add it in my Bible just to create some interest, some different things going on there. And I am going to eventually tip that in here, probably right here on the side. But I'm not going to do that now. I want to add some interest to the background, so I'm going to take this cute little diamond stamp, and I am going to stamp it as a texture background. Now, before I use these clear stamps, I always want to take a little bit of an eraser, just really lightly, and just kind of lightly touch the top of it. And that allows whatever residues left over by the manufacturing process to be a little bit rubbed off. It allows that stamp to stamp much clearer. Alright, let me find my stamp block here. Where are you, stamp block? Here you are. I think I'm going to do Hopes and Dreams as well. So let me go ahead and pull that out and get that ready to go. Hopes and Dreams. So awesome. What a lovely saying. I'm just going to take again my eraser. You can see whenever I just kind of go against the top of that, it starts to become looking like a little bit of a film. So that just really helps the ink to stay and have a really nicer impression. So in order to get this to stamp nicely, I am going to make sure I have a bottle mat down, which I do. And I'm going to come in here and not stamp that upside down. Whoa. There we go. That's why I use clear blocks, right? And stamp down and back up. And then I'm just going to go ahead and hit this with a little water and clean it up real quickly so that does not stay on there very long. If you clean your stamps quickly, you don't have to worry about the stays on damaging them. If you leave the stays on for very long, it stays on. That's why it's called stays on. And that's the ink that I'm using. Coming through here, and just now that this paint is dry, underline my verse. And because I marked on some acrylic just now, I usually will take a little piece of paper and just quickly scribble, just to make sure there's no paint on my nice pip pen there. And then I'm going to grab some of these stickers and see what we got here. I'm going to have to use the diamonds or the hearts. So let's go ahead and use one of the hearts here. It matches real nicely. Probably here. Place that there. I'm going to go ahead and outline it. Not looking for anything fancy or amazing. Just really considering some of the things that are going on and how healing from our Lord is in our prayers a lot lately. I like what I was doing there, so I'm just going to add some lines here just to kind of create some scribbly interest around this heart to represent not perfection, you know? Okay, so the rest of the time here, I'm going to go ahead and do some journaling. I will go ahead and add this stamp in the background here and there, and then I will call it a day. So I will fast forward through this part. Alright, I'm back. I went a little crazy with the diamond stamp here, which is so cute. So I just love that diamond stamp. I can see myself using that all the time, but next time, not as many times. I just kept stamping and stamping and stamping because that's what I do when I love things. I just keep using them. But I like the layout. It's really nice. It's got a nice prayer in here, and I've actually tipped this in with a little bit of repositional glue dot So whenever the prayer is answered, if it is answered, then we'll go ahead and update that here. So can't forget to date it. I will date it, but I just wanted to say I love, love, love this kit. It is just absolutely worthy of purchasing with the content that you get. 8 sessions total to really help you reflect on your goals for this year. Some really great stickers. Of course, the washi tape. Who can not love the washi tape? And the diamond tip-ins. So I hope that this review was helpful to you and that you find that this kit helps you grow in the Word this month. Have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.